Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to assemble our Lego man here. Now that we've made all the parts, we can go ahead and assemble them. So let's get started. Let's go to File. We're going to do a new, let's see here, Presentation. Okay, ANSI and millimeter, create. And we're going to go to Assemble and we're going to place our parts here. So let's go look for them. I have mine on my desktop under Lego Man parts here. So we got Lego legs, um, Lego head. I'm going to hold down control and you can get them all, as many as you can. Lego man connector, um, Lego hand, and let's see here, Lego body too. Let's go ahead and open those up, click and hit OK. Right click and hit OK. Let's just kind of move them out here. Okay. All right, and we also need to place another hand. So let's hit the hand and we're going to need the Lego arm 2 and the Lego arm mirror 2 and hit open. Okay, we're going to click, right click, OK. And let's go ahead and spread everything out here. All right. All right, so let's get started. Let's take our body first, and our head is probably the easiest thing to attach. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of free rotate this guy, and I'm going to actually get him in a location I like, about right there. Hit escape, and then I'm going to ground him so he can't move. Okay, so I can't move him. He is grounded. He's been a bad boy. Bad Lego man. Anyways, so let's go ahead and start assembling now. We can constrain that guy to that guy. All right, hit apply. Then we're going to lift him up. All right. And we're going to constrain that face to that face. Hit apply. Cancel. Okay, off to a good start here. Now let's work on this connector piece here. So I'm going to kind of move it closer, and once again, I'm going to kind of free rotate it just to get a better perspective of it. And yep, there we go. Hit escape. Okay. And now let's move those legs out of the way. I'm going to constrain that face to that face. Hit apply. Cancel. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do a flush constraint. And we're going to make that side flush with that side. And actually, let's not do that because that's at an angle. So we can't. So let's hit cancel. We can do this side though with a flush with that side. Apply and cancel. And then we can also do the other side. Well, actually, no, we don't want to do the other side. We need to somehow make this right here constrained, that movement. And like I said, we tried it with that face and that face. Didn't work. So we need to try something else here. So what we can do here, we can always constrain by, well, let's go to our connector piece. We can constrain by our origins here, our origin planes and axes. So we're interested in the connector piece and we're interested in the body piece, which the Lego man body's right there. So let's go ahead and constrain now. Let's see, we want our y-axis constrained to our y-axis. All right. And it looks pretty good. Okay, go ahead and hit apply. All right, now let's go ahead and assemble the legs here. Okay, I'm going to leave my connector piece open, but I am going to shrink these down just to avoid confusion. And so I left when I made my legs, I made them like this, so it'd be easy to assemble. I'm going to go ahead and free rotate them in this manner right here. Okay, hit escape, and we're going to put them right on there. You could also, when you mirrored them, you could have mirrored them so that they're not together, and you could put one on at a time. I just think it's just a little bit easier to do them both like this. So let's go ahead and constrain them. Let's put that face on that face. Hit apply. Let's do a flush. Let's do that one with that one. And that's doesn't like that. So let's see here. Oh, I know what we can do. We can constrain that guy with that guy, apply and cancel. I think that's all we needed. Yep. Now our Lego man is jumping for joy. He's assembled. All right. Now let's go ahead and see if we can get these arms on him. All right. So let's go ahead and do this arm since it looks like it's kind of ready to just put in there. So let's constrain. Let's once again do that with that. Hit apply, cancel, and let's see what we got to work with here. All right, now let's try constraining here. We're gonna just do that surface to that surface, and I think that should do it for the arm. Yep, all right. Let's do the other one. Constrain, we're gonna highlight that, and we're gonna spin our guy around here, and we're gonna put him in there, apply, and then let's do a mate, or excuse me, another mate. Let's zoom in, there, and we're gonna mate those two, and apply and cancel. Okay, looks pretty good. And the last thing we obviously need to do is to get his hands in there. Okay, so I'm gonna free rotate these guys. All right, so let's go ahead and constrain that to that, hit apply. And now let's constrain that to that, hit apply, cancel. Okay. And now last arm, we'll go there to there, fly, and then we're gonna mate. Let's see here. That face to that face and hit apply, cancel. And let's kind of move him around. So let's hit escape. Oh, he's grounded right there, right? So we can move everything else around him and we can unground him if we want to. Okay. And there's one thing I noticed right here. I don't like his legs the way they are. So, I'm going to come to this mate right here and edit him. And we're going to offset that. Let's see what 0.5 millimeters does. Oh, that's too much, but it's the right way. Let's do 1. Perfect. Okay, so offset it by 0.1 and it's perfectly aligned. All right, and now we are good to go. Your Lego man is fully assembled. Congratulations. All right, if you do want to 3D print yours and you're in my class, come talk to me on your own time. We can 3D print your Lego man and assemble them after we make them. All right, thanks for watching. And like I said, if you felt this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.